USA. Ang ganun, no? Nag-iikot kami kasi gusto namin tumikim ng masasarap na pagkain dito. So, nandito kami sa
13 Bakery. 13 Bakery.
Bakery. So, titikman natin yung mga food nila. Pasok na tayo sa loob. Tara na guys, titignan natin. Let's go.
Alright, so let's go inside 13 Bakery and all the food. Anyway, it's yummy.
Ayun guys, tumikim kami ng bread pudding. Kasama ko si Alex. Kumain lang siya ng cookies.
What did you eat, Alex?
I ate this chocolate chunk cookie. It's a sea salt and it's a bit salty. You should
It's a balance of sweet and saltiness,
Yeah, it's a
right?
balance of sweet and salty, and there's like a lot of sea salt. It's like came from the ocean, and then it's a mix of sugar.
Chocolate.
Yes.
Yung aming ngayon, ang aming ikot, tikim-tikim lang kami ng pagkain. Ikot-ikot kami kung ano. Yung una namin tinikman is bread pudding nandito sa Tartarin.
13 Bakery.
13 Bakery. Tapos sa sunod saan naman tayo?
Hindi ko pa, we will still don't know.
So, abang-abangan na lang natin kung saan kami dadalhin namin. Kasi titikin kami ng mga sweets, pagkain. Ngayong araw na to, yun ang namin.
Agenda.
Serving nila is malalaki. Guys, mapunta tayo doon sa Korean food. At after Korean food, magano kami guys, mag-hot chocolate daw kami. Tikman natin ang hot chocolate ng California kung kasing sarap ba ng hot
Milo.
hot chocolate ng Bohol.
Yeah, so we're going to the Korean this thing.
Yeah, we just
Dahan-dahan po.
Because we're gonna get like little bites, and so if you want something salty with hot chocolate, because you know,
Yeah.
hot chocolate, it's
lakad-lakad lang tayo. Spread. So guys, nandito ako sa Matko Korean Cuisine. Nag-order kami para matikman lang namin kasi ang dami pa namin ikutan. Baka hindi na natin kayanin pag marami natin kinakain. So tikim-tikim lang today. So this video is tikim-tikim lang dito sa Matko Flavors of Korea, guys. So nasa Korea na kami. To you.
Okay. Andres,
Tinidor, guys.
what are you eating?
Di man
Chapche.
Chapche.
Oo.
Ayos, tinidor, guys. Pansit with beef, guys. Parang hindi na mahirap sabihin.
Pancit with beef Korean style. How is it?
I was doing abs and you sat down.
Good?
You had a trainer.
Is it good, Mike? Thank you.
Happy delicious num num.
yo, what's up?
Guys, dito na naman tayo sa frozen hot chocolate. Dito sa may Dunkin' chocolate. So, titikman na naman natin ngayon kasi ang aming goal ngayon, magtikim-tikim lang ng konti-konti. Para namang, matikman natin yung pagkain ng San Francisco. Diba guys? Tara na!
And one chef's tasting.
So dito na tayo guys sa frozen hot chocolate. Titikman natin ng mga best flavor nito dito. Kasama ko si Alex. Titikman din siya.
So what I'm taking, I'm just taking a frozen hot chocolate and just a brownie bite. That's it, because I don't want to eat too much. It's going to makes me full. It's not just a
Yeah, tikim-tikim. In Tagalog, just tikim-tikim.
Okay. We will wait for the order.
Wait, how about let's do trivia? Let's do trivia to get more.
Order another one.
Ito yung frozen chocolate.
Yeah. This is the frozen chocolate. I can't wait to eat it. It looks so good, so I think it's gonna taste good.
Then ito yung pang-taster. Pang-taster daw ito guys. Ayan.
How is it?
Good.
How is it?
It's good. Taste chocolate. Masarap guys. Frozen chocolate.
Alright, so I'm gonna taste this now and see what it tastes like.
Masarap siya. So, i-taste din natin itong maliliit.
Fine. No. Fine.
Parang may lemon siya. Lemon flavor.
It's the fruit of the cacao, not the seed. Di ba the
So,
it's not the seed.
Yung sa labas.
Oo.
ito naman is cookies. Tikman natin yung cookies.
Sa spritz cookie.
White.
Tikman lang natin guys yung tayo dito. Kasi hindi na lang naman tayo pupunta dito. Kaya tikman natin. Good. Sakay na lang guys. Inato kami. Itong para siyang ayan yung
Croissant?
usang. Pitas kasi. It's good also guys. It's frozen.
Yeah, I'm just gonna try right here. Let's go try. Let's see how this tastes like.
I like this one.
So elegant, like chocolate flavor.
I learned the same taste.
Yeah. It tastes so good.
This is so good.
Yeah, I want to eat the whole thing.
It's to some.
Subscribe to Mother King Vlogs because it really appreciates the loss. It's gonna be out a lot.
Want to taste this
For
one?
your support. We hit 2 million subscribers like
Hala niya ice cream eh.
2 years ago, and thank you so much for your support.
Ano?
I
Ikaw na
appreciate you
nag-vlog?
guys. Thank you for this opportunity. See ya.
Ngayon guys, pupunta tayo sa Dolores Park. Puntahan natin yung mga park ditong magaganda kahit minsan lang naman tayo dito sa California. Ikutin natin ang magagandang place para makita rin ninyo kung saan ako nag-ikot-ikot. Every day akong nag-ikot-ikot guys, except Sunday kay
Laba Day.
Day off at sobrang lamig kahapon guys. So tara na, puntahan natin ang park na dapat naming pupuntahan noong Sunday. So, ito na yon. Let's go! Guys, nandito tayo sa Dolores Park kasi maganda ang weather ngayon. Mainit at ngayon nga time ang magandang mag-park kasi maganda ang panahon. Mamaya!
Miyaw mo lang.
Oh my God, guys! Magkasama na yun. Aking mga apo. Papakita ko sa inyo. So, dito na yan! So, dito na lang yun, guys. Dito na nagtatapos ang ating vlog, guys. Sana supportan niyo ako lagi sa ating vlogging. Marami pa akong i-upload kasi busy ang aking editor. Hayaan mo na lang late upload, at least nakikita din ninyo. At yun na yun, yung aming mga practice today. Nag-ikot-ikot kami kung saan kami nagpunta. Dito na kami sa Dolores Park. Dito na yun guys. Sa